How to fix Doordash First Pay not working. Is Doordash First Pay not working for you? Don't worry, let's go through the step to identify and resolve the issue. Step 1. Ensure you meet requirements. Make sure you fulfill all the requirements for First Pay transactions. Double check and ensure nothing is missing. Refer to the requirements for Doordash First Pay section for details. Step 2. Complete verification. After enabling First Pay, it takes around 7 days for card verification and an additional 14 days to transfer funds. Be patient as the verification process takes place. Step 3. Verify account information. Ensure there are enough available funds for transfer and that your account isn't under any Doordash restrictions. Address any account restrictions before attempting a transfer. Step 4. Check linked bank or card. Review the debit card or bank account linked to your Dasher account. Confirm if the card is supported and check with your bank for any restrictions on your account. Step 5. Contact Doordash support. If the issue persists and you have followed all steps, it's time to reach out to Doordash support for assistance. You can contact them via chat or phone using the following details. Visit Doordash support page. Support helpline number is 855-431-0459. So that was how to fix Doordash First Pay not working, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.